time today. I hope after the speech I can influence some of your opinions. Today I'd like to talk to you about the importance and benefits of recycling. Before I can promote something, I'd like to make sure everyone knows what I mean by recycling. The accepted definition by Webster's Dictionary is recycling is the processing of used materials or waste and turning them into new products to prevent the waste of potentially useful materials. Also, to reduce energy usage, reduce air pollution, and water pollution. Now that you understand what recycling is, I'd like to name some common household items that can be recycled. Things normally recycled include glass, paper, metal, and plastic. Sometimes even textiles and electronics. Other recycling is done to salvage complex products due to their potential value. Greenpeace.org gives the examples lead from your car batteries, gold from your computer components, and the reuse of chemicals or elements. The EPA, or the Environmental Protection Agency, explains that recycling can be traced all the way back to 400 BC. Recycling has always been present in time periods where resources were scarce, especially in the 20th century. Railroads and automobile industries resorted to purchasing scrap metal during the wartime and the Depression. During World War II, peddlers would go door to door looking for old or discarded appliances or metal. Now we see that recycling is not new, yet a ritual widely used for conservation. But the most important thing is why recycle. From 1960 to 2009, government studies done by the EPA claimed that waste has increased from 2.7 to 4.3 pounds per day. Now for the future and present generations, the best way to reduce that is not to create it. The first reason to recycle your waste is because it reduces the need for landfills or incineration, or the burning of trash. Landfills produce dangerous, unhealthy emissions, add to property value loss, and are infected with bacteria. Strip the soil of its nutrients, release foul odors, and bioaerosols, which contribute to the greenhouse effect. The burning of trash or incineration was thought to be a good, quick, and easy way to get rid of waste. Instead, it was revealed that burning waste breaks down chemicals and emits their remains into the air. Also, most metals are unable to be broken down by this method. Instead, the metal is turned into a dangerous form, then released into the atmosphere and environment. 243 million tons of waste was generated in the U.S. last year. Where is all that going? Eventually, it's going to pile up. Recycling prevents so much buildup of waste, so that means less pollution. By recycling, you are drastically reducing the amount of garbage and not adding to landfills. Even the runoff and emission of chemicals affects our planet's drinking water. Finally, our planet needs a moderate amount of greenhouse gases to trap heat in the atmosphere. Starting in the Industrial Revolution, factories began emitting great amounts of CO2 into the atmosphere. Over the past decade, because of the amount of fossil fuels and CO2 released into the atmosphere, the climate has heated up drastically. If this continues, by 2100, the temperature will rise 11.5 degrees, resulting in the melting of ice caps and glaciers. All of these things are affecting the rest of the planet. You alone can help the planet and make a difference. Now that you know all about recycling, its history, and the problems of not recycling, what should you do? Make a trip to your local recycling center. They'll provide what you need to begin your recycling process with the proper bins. Thank you guys. I hope this was educational and eye-opening.